Okay, so guys, this is the video you all been waiting for. In this video, we're gonna talk about how you can use DeepSeek AI for your coding purposes. We'll do everything from scratch, guys. Like I don't have VS Code right now, so I'll download VS Code first. Then we will integrate it with the DeepSeek AI. Then I'll tell you how you can use that for coding. So yeah, guys, this is full-fledged video. Let's download VS Code first because this is the easiest to download. Click on download, then go to Windows and then it will start downloading. And another thing we need is Ollama, guys, because Ollama is basically needed for the DeepSeek model so that we can use that in our VS Code, guys. So yeah, let's download it for Windows 2. As you guys can see, it is downloading right now. I'll just install VS Code now. Just click on accept the agreement, click on next, then click on next again. Then we'll add the open with the code and we'll add the open with code action and create a desktop icon too. So yeah, let's install that. While it is installing, guys, our Ollama is also completed. So now, guys, VS Code is installed. I'll just click on finish, then open my VS Code first. And as you can see, Ollama setup is also downloaded. We'll install it. So this is VS Code. Basically, we'll go to extensions, guys, because we want to download the code GPT extension so that we can use the DeepSeek model using the Ollama. So we'll just click on install this extension. Extension is needed, guys. We'll just install it. So now the Ollama setup is also installing, guys. As you guys can see, it will get installed. Then we will download the model, which is the DeepSeek model using the Ollama. So yeah, right now let it install, and the code GPT extension is also installed right now in our VS Code. As you guys can see, you just have to log in into this. Okay, so guys, it's installed right now. As you guys can see, what you have to do now is just log in it first of all, the code GPT, and after the login is completed, continue to Visual Studio Code, click on that, and now as you guys can see, it is running. So just go to this and then we'll use the local LLM, and the LLM we have downloaded is the Llama, so we'll use that. Then the model we have to select is DeepSeek. I'll use the DeepSeek 1.5B, as you guys can see. Then I'll just download this model. So I think this model is of 4 to 5 gigs. I don't know, I might be wrong, but yeah, just download this model, and then after the model will be downloaded, then we'll see how we can code with that model from the basic. So yeah, let it be downloaded. Only 10% left, guys, as you guys can see. So yeah, and now it's 100%. So after it is downloaded, guys, you are using the local LLM Ollama and the DeepSeek model. Just cross that and you'll see the DeepSeek is running in your VS Code. So now how to code basically, right? So it's very easy to code. So guys, what you have to do is you just have to open any kind of folder. I'll open a folder on my desktop. I'll just make a new folder here. Then after making a new folder here, then I'll just open this folder. Only blank, guys. So what I will do is I'll just make a document which is called index.html to code in HTML right now. So I'll just paste the code here and then just name it title. And okay, so now let's ask DeepSeek to create a basic login page. So we'll just go to this code GPT, then we will use the DeepSeek AI here, as you guys can see. So yeah, now let's type here like create a basic login page with style with embedded CSS. So yeah, let's send this and let's see what DeepSeek will do. It is working, guys. It is writing a response. So let's wait. I am inside a virtual machine, so it might take some time. So yeah, we just have to wait because it is also running locally. So it is providing us a output, guys. So yeah, let's wait till it gives us the required output. Okay, so guys, it is creating the code. As you guys can see, it is creating the embedded CSS with the login page, and also it will handle the errors too. How amazing it is, guys. DeepSeek model is very powerful, guys. And the main feature is reasoning, guys. The reasoning feature is very good. So guys, everything is generated right now. So what you can do is you can just click on insert code to insert the code into your page. And how easy this is, guys. Just remove the previous code and now the code generated by DeepSeek is here. So we'll just use this. Let's try to open the page, guys. How does it look? Just click on index. Let's open it in Chrome. Oh my god, as you guys can see, this is the login page, and this is basic, guys. This is pretty basic. Let's type some email here, hi and the password, then login. Okay, so it is basically, I think, using local storage as it is asked. So on submit, guys, this function is running login form, and if you go to login form, this is basically getting the ID, email ID and the password, and it is pushing it into an array. Okay, guys, so yeah, let's try to do some errors, guys. Will it fix or not? Like, I'll just not close the form and I'll just not give the ID. data. So yeah, let's ask DeepSeek to fix the code. Let's type /fix and let's send this. Let's see how it will fix the code, guys. Okay, so it is noticing that the HTML file doesn't have an title tag and it doesn't see any kind of even listeners. So yeah, guys, it is also fixing the code. So yeah, guys, I think it is pretty good, guys. DeepSeek AI, you can use it in your PC. Right now I'm using it in a virtual machine and it's not working fine, guys. Let me tell you, it is taking so much time. So yeah, guys, it's working. I've downloaded the model. Then I also shown you how to run this model and also how to code using DeepSeek AI. This is the basics, guys. You can do anything you want. I hope you guys liked the video. If you guys want more videos like that, then to subscribe this channel, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Till then, goodbye.